Picture this, you're out for a run and just after a few minutes, you're already out of breath, your heart is pounding like a drum, it feels like you've been working so hard, but the more you push, the more tired you get. But meanwhile, everybody else is running by effortlessly, and you're wondering, what are they doing that I'm not doing? Well, I have the secret, and in this video, we're gonna unlock the secret on how to make sure that your muscles are fully activated. Are you guys ready to learn how to run more effectively and efficiently? Let's dive in. So the first muscle activation practice that we want to do is to get the hip flexors working properly. All we're going to do is just a simple exercise. Now I'm only going to do it one time on each side. I'm not going to do both sides. So just pause the video, go back and do the other side. Now do you guys recognize this pose? You kind of grab your knee and pull it into your chest. Don't do that anymore. It's like the worst thing that you can do. So what you guys do want to do is standing here, balance on one foot. Now, if you can't balance on one foot, use like a fence or a wall or a post or something here. But just balancing on one foot, lift that knee up as high as you can and then lower down. Now, the idea in muscle activation is to hold for 6 seconds and do it 6 times. So you're gonna lift up the knee and do that as high as you can. And just kind of hold it there and then lower back down. And that was about 6 seconds. This activates all of the hip flexors. And when you're activated, you have a stronger run. And guess what? You come back without any injuries. Oh my God, that's so great. Let's do it one more time on this side. There you go, and lifting up. Now I'm gonna show you the next one. The next one is one of my faves, because we're getting the glutes activated. One of the things that you'll notice about runners, they usually have a flat ass. That's because the glutes aren't working when they're running, and they should be working. So this is very simple. All you're gonna do is bend your knee and then push your heel back. So think about the heel pressing back and then down. And one of the things you might notice is that sometimes there's a little cramping in the hamstring. That's because your hamstring isn't used to working, isn't used to shortening properly. So by doing this, if you notice if you're getting hamstring cramps, don't bend the knee so much. Maybe just keep it at 90 degrees and then push back. And I want you to keep one hand on your glute. Feel that glute really getting activated and then come down. One of the things that you want to avoid is leaning forward. I was starting to lean forward a little bit there. So let's do it again. Bend that knee, push the heel back. Whee, look at me, Mom. I'm on the beach in the wind. Feel that glute really activating and then lower down. Again, I promise you, do it 6 seconds, 6 times on each side. You're going to feel the power of your glutes turning on. Okay, the last one that we're going to do is one of my favorites. So 2 of the areas that seem to get compromised a lot when runners are running is their core muscles and their back muscles. This is a twofer. We're going to, through this practice, activate both at the same time. Oh my God, who knew you could do that? So the front body and the back body. So what I want you guys to do is plant your feet like about hip distance apart, more or less, and inhale and bring the arms up, and now sit back and just allow your butt to kind of stick out a little bit here. Squeeze the sides of the belly into midline and then bring the arm bones back, and you're gonna feel all the back muscles really engage. You should feel them working. Inhale, come and stand up. Exhale, bring the arms down. Now this one I'm gonna do with you the whole round, because we're actually going to add on to it. So inhale, sit back, bring the arms up. And I really want you to focus on feeling this in the lower back here, okay? And then inhale, come and stand. Exhale, bring the arms down. Inhale, come and sit back, lift up really arch, press the arms back. Very good. Now, bring the arms to about 45 degrees, press the thumbs back, and you're gonna feel your trapezius muscles engaging as well. Turn the corners of your mouth upwards. Inhale, come and stand, and exhale. Inhale, come and sit back. Very good. Bring the arms to 45 degrees. Bring those thumbs back. Lift up a little bit, sit back a little bit more. Inhale, come and stand. Exhale, bring the arms down. Inhale, bring the arms up, sit back. Now this is where we're gonna start to add a little bit. So bring the hands to what we call Namaste Mudra. Sit back a little bit, and I want you to twist one way, but look at your knees as you're twisting. Don't let the right knee will probably wanna come forward if you're twisting to your left. So when you're twisting to your left, don't let that knee come forward. Keep twisting, you're really engaging the core here. And then inhale back, sit into chair. And then exhale and twist again. Beautiful. You're twisting as much as you can. Inhale back, we're gonna do it one more time. Exhale and twist. Nice. And then inhale, come up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, come and sit back into chair. Now we're gonna do it the other way. Exhale, bring the hands to Namaste, and then twist to your right. Again, watch out for that left knee, because the tendency here is to bring that left knee forward. Keep the knees in line. Squeeze the hips as you're twisting. Inhale, here. Exhale, twist. And you should feel this twisting right at the navel center. And if you kind of bring one finger or your hand to your abs, you're gonna feel them really engage here. It's really profound. Inhale, come back, and exhale the arms down. Destiny! Come on! Come on, Destiny! This is when you get your friends together and get ready to go for a run. You ready, Destiny? Let's go. Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, learned something, but more importantly, felt your muscles coming alive. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you always get updates when we release new content. Have a super wonderful day and see you in the next video.